How to transfer from PayPal to SWEDBANk. Log in to your PayPal account on the PayPal website or app. Navigate to the Wallet or Balance section. Click on Transfer Money or Withdraw Funds. Select the option to transfer funds to your bank account. Add a bank account if your SWEDBANk account is not already linked. Enter your SWEDBANk account details including the account holder's name, IBAN number and any other details. Verify the entered information for accuracy. Once your SWEDBANk account is linked, select it as the destination for the transfer. Enter the amount you wish to transfer from PayPal to SWEDBANk. Review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.